No, nice. Out of church, may I come with you? Zip up this. Alright, how look, mommy?
You look good, you know, you say look good. I look somebody.
Why? You know how long I wear this? One time me ever wear it, you know.
I say you waste money, man.
Come rate it from 1 to 10. How much did I get?
Wow.
The outfit.
Something wrong with the outfit.
One from 1 to 10, how much did I rate it?
Could I get that 10?
10.
So what?
Yes, yes. I'm feeling myself. I that me did take up a video for rate my outfit. Mama say get a 10. Look nice. At church, may I go with her tonight, you know?
That pay, not, make sure you don't pay up that now, you know. Oh, damn foolish, you see I chat about church.
So I'm going to go to church tonight.
Huh?
The church appropriate.
Yeah.
Pastor married.
Yeah. Nice running in right to send to the little man.
Mommy, what's this thing?
I know from my regular top 10 life for me.
I could have passed as Justin Bieber twin. So guys, thank you all for watching my video and thanks to the new subscribers. In my next video, I'm going to give a shout out to my new subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and when the notification comes in, I'm going to give you a shout out. But even if you don't come in, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know that you're a new subby, and I will give you a shout out in my next video. So mommy rated my outfit. Apparently she had nothing bad to say. Mommy never have nothing bad to say. So she rated it at 10, surprisingly, because it's super revealing. But yeah, she didn't have anything bad to say. She gave it a 10. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel and let me know that you're a new subby so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Alright, thank you all for watching. Mwah.